Hi, my name is Monay. I'm 21 years old. As you can see, I have vitiligo only on my face. It started when I was in 6th grade. Mind you, I went to the dermatologist. I got light treatment, couldn't get light treatment no more, so they prescribed me with some ointment. Did not work at all. Like, nothing was working. I mean, nothing. So I came across this organic, vitiligo organic, works miracles. But you have to be patient and consistent. Before I use it, I wash my face very well. Make sure you get this. This helps. And after you wash your face, let it air dry. Then to really make sure your face clean, use anti-blemishing pads. Helps very well. Then rub this in and soak in some sun. As long as you in some sun, everything will work. This is it right here. The dots of pigmentation coming back. Yeah, I recommend it.